Ka Kongres ke Badan Hak Liang Pyrshah kala rai ban Leit Mudui sha Ïingkashari Pyrshah ya ke jinglit Pynïasoh ke Ngut ke Malaysia ke National People's Party NPP haba pentip ru basyen kan sa shimrai lakan peteng nem ban trelang bat ke NPP ha Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council ke HADC. Haba kren sekilat patai ku bor hadin ke jingalang jong ke parti Presiden ke Kongres ba Winston H Palau loong ba ke parti kalaya selok bat ki start ai bat lanang penkre ya ki kot kisla ba klempep ngin samudui da kamukot duma kamdon jing atetin ya kota upentip ba ke parti kadang selok bat ki start ai ba kumno kintinju ya ke hukum jong ulampang ke ying dor ba tau ai ban ai jing itu ya ke jinglit Pynïasoh kilai ngut na pedeng ki saungut ke MLA ke parti Dr. Celestine Lingdo Musning Charles Marangan Mahoti ba Gabriel Walang Nong Stoin sya ke NPP ha kakat kendai cering nailar.
The mood of our workers that we should go alone in this council, and the mood of our workers, they also entrusted the president and his team to examine it clearly, what are the pros and cons. So overall, the mood is that they are not happy with the way which the NPP is doing, the way which is happening in the council. So most of them, they think that we should withdraw from the council, and Pynïasoh has assured them that we have a system. We are a national party. We cannot just walk in and walk out. We have a system. We have to see the pros and cons. Number one is the interest of the public has to be taken in consideration. So we have told them. So majority of them, they trust us and they leave the matter to us. When we took a decision with a good intention that we should contribute for the amendment of the 6th schedule, we should not allow only on the NPP and the BJP to dictate terms. We have a very experienced politicians in the district, Pynïasoh and his team, at that time MLAs and all. We said that we should not allow BJP and the NPP to take decision whatever they like. That is our intention. But that stage is almost gone. And also the delimitation of the district council and many other things which we need to contribute. Because at that time there was a big issue between the NPP and the UDP. So the public, especially the people of Meghalaya, the people of Khasi and Jaintia Hills, should have been left unattended if we don't participate. So our intention is not to make anything. Our intention is to contribute for the welfare of the people. So it may be, you may say that it may be late, but our intention was that we are not a party where we just be under pressure by anybody. We should scrutinize, we should examine, and we should also see that the priority is to defend our people, to protect our people and preserve our culture and preserve our land, preserve our unity. That's what we think. Yeah, definitely we are consulting, we are getting the papers. So we definitely will file a case. There's no doubt about that.